Welcome back everyone to the YouTube channel Analyker, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can turn off or turn on your Windows Defender on Windows 10 Pro. I didn't know about the other versions of Windows. Right now I'm doing it. To do this, first of all you have to go to the Windows control panel of your window. Here you can see control panel. If you didn't find it, you just have to search down here control panel and you will got it. Now open the control panel. When you'll turn on the control panel, you'll see a surface like this, a window like this. From this, you have to find Windows Defender Firewall. Here you can see Windows Defender Firewall. We just have to click on this option. When we'll click on this option, we even in the left top side you will find more options, little more options. From this you have to click turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. We're just clicking on this. Right now you can see my Defender is turned on. If I want to turn off this on a private network or in public network, I have to just choose this cross and then I have to press OK. After doing that it will be done, but I'm not gonna do that. Windows Defender is protecting me from many kind of malwares and virus. It would be better if we stay with it, but if you need to turn off it, you can turn off. Thank you.